gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
iQOO has officially made the first move, and the iQOO 15 Ultra is already standing right in front of us with some seriously hardcore specs. Launching this early, right before the new year, makes it clear they're aiming to reset the standard for performance flagships built for extreme gamers. This new Ultra isn't just about raw power either. It brings a bold new design, and the gaming experience honestly feels like having a real-life cheat code. So without wasting any time, let's jump in and see how powerful this early arriving performance monster really is. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Starting with the design, the futuristic twin star concept instantly stands out, with color themes inspired by 2077 and 2049 that give off strong sci-fi vibes. The frosted back paired with a sandblasted oxidized frame helps keep fingerprints away, while the sharp, angular lines make the phone feel quick and responsive in hand. iQOO has also added shoulder buttons directly into the frame. The camera deco module looks completely different from the regular iQOO 15, now featuring a transparent, visible layout that clearly shows the camera arrangement. Along with the breathing energy blade, the whole device delivers a high-tech, futuristic presence. On the back, there's a subtle textured pattern that shifts color as you tilt the phone, adding a premium touch without being flashy. The corners measure just 9.13 millimeters, and even the camera module follows the same rounded design, showing how much attention went into the details. This smooth cornering makes it comfortable to hold sideways too, which is perfect for long gaming sessions. Flip it over to the front, and you're greeted by a Samsung 2K OLED display, currently the only 2K Samsung panel among the new domestic Ultra phones. This is a true T0 level esports screen. You get a massive 6.85-inch display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 2K resolution, and a super sharp 508 ppi. In games, everything looks incredibly detailed, from grass textures to distant enemy outlines, giving you a real visual advantage. The LTPO adaptive 144Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and gameplay feel unbelievably smooth compared to ordinary screens. iQOO also created a custom color gamut expansion technology just for this panel, boosting saturation and contrast in games so scenes look more vibrant and immersive. Local peak brightness now hits an incredible 8,000 nits, meaning you can still see everything clearly even under harsh sunlight. And despite adding an active cooling fan, the phone still supports IP68 and IP69 full waterproof protection with Blue Eagle certification, which is honestly impressive. Now let's talk performance. Inside, the iQOO 15 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, paired with LPDDR5X Ultra Pro memory and UFS 4.1 storage. Together, they form today's performance iron triangle, delivering stronger output with better power efficiency. In benchmarks, the phone easily breaks past 4.4 million points, placing it right at the top of the performance flagship rankings. With numbers like that, the self-developed Q3 Esports chip naturally deserves real-world testing. In honor of kings, the iQOO 15 Ultra launches with native 144 FPS and ultra-high graphics. From my hands-on experience, it maintains a rock-solid high frame rate the entire time without any noticeable drops. In FPS titles like Delta Force, turning on high frame rate mode makes everything feel insanely smooth, whether you're sprinting across large maps or locked in intense multiplayer battles. Add in those shoulder buttons and the control experience becomes next level. When it comes to Genshin Impact, this phone supports full scene ray tracing, 2K super resolution, and a blazing 120 FPS super frame rate. Even during intense battles with constant skill usage, the frame rate stayed impressively stable. Lighting effects, shadows, and water reflections all look noticeably better, creating an incredibly smooth and immersive experience. Simply put, the iQOO 15 Ultra has no trouble dominating mobile games. For mainstream titles, you can freely fine-tune both graphics and frame rate settings. After about an hour of gameplay, temperature control was excellent. The phone felt only slightly warm, with readings hovering around 40 degrees Celsius. A big reason for this is the iQOO 15 Ultra's combined active and passive cooling system, known as Ice Dome. This also marks the first time an iQOO phone comes with a built-in cooling fan. Paired with the industry's largest single-layer VC vapor chamber, heat dissipation is seriously powerful. What's even smarter is how the cooling system manages itself. During gaming, the fan automatically turns on or off depending on system load. Once the temperature hits 36.5 degrees Celsius or higher, enhanced cooling kicks in. Drop below that, and the fan shuts off again, keeping things cool while balancing noise and power consumption. And if you want instant cooling mid-game, you can activate rapid cooling straight from the game sidebar. With one tap, the fan spins at full speed to quickly bring temperatures down. But this phone isn't just about gaming. The iQOO 15 Ultra also shines when it comes to productivity and content creation. Thanks to its built-in game live streaming assistant, you can stream high-definition gameplay directly from your phone. The highlight replay feature works like a professional observer system, letting you instantly replay epic moments and interact with viewers. Intelligent recording automatically clips key moments like eliminations and friendly fire, making short-form video creation incredibly simple. Add in dual W-bar acceleration and the Huanyu Esports network system, and you get reliable streaming stability and strong network performance. Now let's talk battery and charging. The iQOO 15 Ultra packs a huge 7400 mAh battery, along with 100-watt wired fast charging and 40 watts wireless charging. In testing, it played 4K 60fp online video with subtitles from full charge all the way to shutdown, lasting roughly 15 hours. Charging from 5% back to 100% took about 82 minutes, which is seriously impressive for a battery this large. To wrap things up, the iQOO 15 Ultra is a no-compromise performance powerhouse built specifically for hardcore gamers. Its top-tier Samsung 2K display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and self-developed Q3 chip deliver crushing gaming performance. The integrated active and passive cooling system pushes things even further. Add in the bold futuristic design, solid in-hand feel, like massive 7,400 mAh battery, and ultra-fast 100-watt charging, and battery anxiety becomes a thing of the past. It truly earns its Ultra title. Every detail that affects the user experience has been thoroughly pushed to the limit on the iQOO 15 Ultra. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video very soon.